everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Ignore these poorly drawn pictures, but this is what we got for today. So, like I said, on Friday, we were gonna go ahead and finish up some rooms, 231, and also I think it was 333. Basically, the same exact scenario on the second floor and the third floor. Had to go into some occupied suites early in the morning before people were there and get some of the old duct detectors removed. And then from there, we pulled out the wiring down the hallway for those duct detectors. And then to this picture, after that, went down and finished the second half of the second floor hallway, going into the electrical room here on the first line, and then going into the stairwell on the top line. That's what we did on the second floor. I don't know if we finished the pulling out the duct detector on the second floor on the north side. Can't remember, how to check that tomorrow. But pretty much all of us split up and we did different types of demo for the fire alarm, trying to get this done. Basically, all that's left is 735, which is another occupied suite, and then maybe that duct detector on too, and then maybe some stuff on the lower level. But pretty much most of it is pretty much done now. Knocked out a huge bunch today. The rest of the day, me and my apprentice worked on pulling out the riser cables, or the fire alarm risers, from the first floor all the way up to the 9th floor. So once we got down and finished that from the 9th floor down to the first floor, we started pulling those out backwards, going down to the home run fire alarm control panel, or the FCC. So we went ahead and started pulling some of those out, just out of the panel and up to the first junction box. So I think we're going to try to pull out some more wires from the first floor, from one junction box to the next junction box, which is like 150 feet, and they're probably stuck, and it's probably not going to work, but we're going to try it. I have optimism. But other than that, that was pretty much our day. It went really successful, great first day of the year, and I was really excited about it. Everything went great and got a ton of stuff done. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys are interested, make sure to check out my new second channel, which is Daily Finances. If you guys want to know how I've already spent $2,000 in 3 days, go check that out. I'll be uploading a second video tonight. That's going to do it. Thanks, guys, for watching. God bless. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.